Welcome to a world where technology is constantly evolving, and the cloud is no longer just a fluffy white thing in the sky. In the realm of cloud computing, Amazon Web Services, or AWS, reigns supreme, boasting an array of tools designed to make life easier for developers. Today we are going to dive deep into two such tools, AWS API Gateway and AWS Lambda. Imagine a bustling city. The API Gateway is like the city's infrastructure, managing traffic, ensuring security, and enabling communication between different parts of the city. It's a service that makes it easy for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. It handles all the tasks involved in accepting and processing up to hundreds of thousands of concurrent API calls, including traffic management, core support, authorization and access control, throttling, and API version management. On the other hand, AWS Lambda is like the city's workforce, carrying out the tasks and jobs needed to keep the city running. It's a serverless compute service that lets you run your code without provisioning or managing servers. Lambda executes your code only when needed and scales automatically, from a few requests per day to thousands per second. Now, let's delve into the advantages of these two powerful tools. API Gateway provides developers with a robust, flexible, and scalable solution to manage APIs. It allows for effortless API creation and deployment, and its robust security features ensure that your APIs are protected from unauthorized access. Lambda, meanwhile, simplifies the process of running applications and services by taking care of all the underlying infrastructure. With its event-driven model, it allows developers to focus on their code rather than worry about managing servers, scaling, and capacity provisioning. But as with anything, there are also disadvantages to consider. For API Gateway, while it offers a wealth of features, it can be complex and overwhelming for beginners. The pricing model, based on the number of API calls, can also become costly for high-traffic applications. Lambda, on the other hand, has limitations on execution time, memory, and storage. It's also important to remember that while serverless architectures can simplify many aspects of development, they also introduce new challenges and complexities. In conclusion, both AWS API Gateway and AWS Lambda are powerful tools in the world of cloud computing. API Gateway is your go-to for managing APIs at any scale, providing robustness, flexibility, and security. Lambda, with its serverless compute model, simplifies running applications and services, allowing developers to focus on coding rather than infrastructure management. However, it's crucial to consider the potential downsides. API Gateway's complexity and cost could be a deterrent for some, while Lambda's limitations and the challenges of serverless architectures should also be taken into account. In the end, the choice between API Gateway and Lambda depends on your specific needs and circumstances. But no matter what, armed with knowledge, you're well equipped to navigate the bustling city of AWS. So go forth and explore, innovate, and create. In the world of cloud computing, the sky is truly the limit.